Assalamu alaikum. So in this PPT presentation we are going to discuss about 8 parts of speech. So we are going to discuss about 8 parts of speech, and this is made by Sayyid Haider Ali. So what are the 8 parts of speech? 8 part of speech is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition, interjection. So these are the 8 parts of speech. So the first is noun. So what is noun? A noun is a person, place, thing, or an idea. So the noun is the name of any person, place, or a thing, or an idea. So noun are the subject of the sentence. Like the example, the bakery has a fresh baked goods. So here the name is bakery, so it's a noun. And the second example is Kelly is a pro golfer. The noun, the name is Kelly. So the next example, the dog was lonely for me. The name is a dog, so it's a noun. The love is beautiful thing. Here the word love is a noun. So there are types of noun. There are 2 types of noun. So what are they? A common noun and a proper noun. A common noun, a noun that does not specify or that does not name a specific person or place or a thing. So the common noun does not specify any person, place, or a thing names. Does not specify the name, like the pencil, the dog, the book. So it does not specify the exact name. So the second type is proper noun. What is proper noun? A noun that names a specific person, place, or a thing. Like city. Is a city a proper noun? No, it's a common noun, and the proper noun of the city will be a specific name of a city, which will be New York City, any city that has a specific name. So let's do some examples of common noun. The cow jumped over the moon. Here the word cow and the moon are the common noun. In the next example, we celebrated my birthday with a great big chocolate cake. Here the birthday and the cake are the common noun. I ran 5 kilometers race in town last week. So here the race down the week. I just underlined the common noun here. You can see. The cherries were tasty. The cherries, here the common noun, the name is cherries. So in next example, I played basketball in class. So here the basketball and the class is the common noun. So let's do some examples now. In the following sentence, what is a common noun? Sean cut the grass. Is the word Sean the common noun? No, it's a proper noun because it's a name of a person. It's a specific name of a person. So it's not a common noun. Cut is not a noun. And the last option, grass, yes, it is a common noun. So now let's go to the proper noun. So West Middle School is a great place to learn. So here the specific address, specific place, they have given that the West Middle School. So means the specific address or a place name is given. So it means it's a proper noun. So in next, shopping at the Grand Traverse Mall can be hectic during the holidays. So here the name of a specific mall. If it was shopping at the Grand Mall, it can be any Grand Mall, but here the specific name is given. So this is the proper noun. The next example is I went to Horizon Cinema to watch the movie. What is the name of the movie? The Speed Racer. So he went to the cinema A specific cinema, he has given the name specific cinema, which is Horizon Cinema. So means this is a proper noun because the specific address, the specific place he has given us to watch the movie. Which movie? The Speed Racer. So the specific movie is also given. So mean these two are the proper noun. Next example. Caleb and Kaylee are the best kid in the world. Here two names are given and they are proper noun because it's a name of any specific person. It's not he or she, it's just name of specific kid or a person, Caleb and Kelly. So these two are the proper noun in this sentence. So the next, read 180, it's a book of a name, has many good books, it's a place, has many good book to choose from. Read 180, now it's a specific place, person or a thing. So it means it's a proper noun. Now what are the examples? Let's go into the examples of the proper noun. Now let's try proper noun. Just remember that that proper noun is a name of specific person or place or a thing. So what is the proper noun in this sentence? He walked across McKenna Bridge. So the word he is not a proper noun. McKenna Bridge, yeah, it's a proper noun. Walked is a verb, not a noun. So next, now let's go into the proper noun. A proper noun is a word that takes place of the noun. Now in the previous sentence you saw the word he walked. The word he is a proper noun because the word he took place instead of noun. So what are the examples? Let's look at the examples. I, me, my, you, yours, he, she, it, us, we, they, them, his, her, their, mine, our, myself, himself, herself, itself, yourself, themself, ourself, who, whose, whom, anybody, anyone, everybody, nobody, someone, somebody. So these are some examples. So let's try some examples. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. Instead of saying Erin likes to eat, you would say she likes to eat. So the word Erin, the word she took place of the word Erin. It took place of the noun. So what is the proper noun of the following sentence? I sing loudly in the shower. So the word sing is not a proper noun, it's a verb. Loudly, it's not a proper noun. I is a proper noun because it was taken place of a noun, because I could be Erin, he, like any name, but the name, the I took place of the name, so of the noun. So it is a proper noun. So now let's go into the adjective. Now what is adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. It tells what kind, how many, or which one. Like the green shirt. The word green is an adjective. It describes the shirt. Now the word green is describing the shirt. Which color it is? It's green. So means the word green is a adjective. Now here, soul limes. So the word here soul describes a lime, means describe the thing. So the word soul is a adjective because it's describing the thing. It's describing the lime. So the next is adjective examples. Now adjective. What's adjective? An adjective is a word describe a noun or a pronoun. It tells what kind, how many, which one. Here is an example. Erin has blonde hair. So which word describes this sentence? What is an adjective? So the word blonde, is it an adjective? Yes, it is. Erin is a word, hair is a noun. So the word adjective is option number A. So the next is verb. What is verb? A verb is an action of a sentence. It shows what someone or something is doing, like run, paint, read. So, verb. Its examples. What's verb? Just remember, the verb is an action of a sentence. What is subject doing? In example below, find the verb. Erin is running 5 kilometers. What is Erin doing? What's Erin doing? Yes, a verb is an action of a sentence. What is subject doing? So the subject, Erin, what is Erin doing? Erin is running. So verb here is running. So the next, adverb. What's an adverb? An adverb describes how the action is performed. They tell how much, how often, when, and where something is done. Like fish jumped quickly from the water. Here the adverb is quickly. The man sat alone. Here the word adverb is alone. So the examples. Adverb. What's adverb? An adverb describes how the action is performed. They tell how much or how often, when, and where something is done. Like Erin ran 5 kilometers quickly. How did she run 5 kilometers? How did Erin run 5 kilometers? Quickly she ran. So the option 1 is Erin. No, it's a name, it's a noun. Ran, it's a verb. No, it's a verb. So the option C is adverb, because it's quickly. It's telling that how much Erin run. How did she run 5 kilometers? So the next example, the next part of speech is conjunction. What's conjunction? A word that joins words or a word group together. Some example conjunction are and, but, or, nor, although, yet, so, either, and also. We ate pizza and drank pop for dinner. So words and conjunction, it's a verb that join a words or a word groups together. So we ate pizza, and the word and is joining the second part, which is drank pop for the dinner. So the next, the conjunction example. What's conjunction? A conjunction is a word that either join a words or a word groups together. Some examples conjunction are and, but, or, nor, although, yet, so, either, and also. Check out these examples. Erin loved to swim and play at the beach. What is conjunction in the sentence? So the sentence Erin loved to swim, it's one sentence, play at the beach. So the which word is joining these two these two words is and. So the option number D is correct. Preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word that shows position or a direction. Some examples are in, out, under, over, often, out, after, out, into, up, down, for, and between. She worked at her desk. So here they are telling the preposition is a word that shows a position or a direction. So she worked at her desk. So here the preposition is at. The sun was in the sky. So where was the sun? The preposition is showing the direction or position. Just remember this. Where is the sun? In the sky. So the word in is a preposition. So examples of preposition. Preposition, I told you, a preposition is the word that shows a position or direction. Some examples are in, out, under, over, after, out, into, up, down, for, and between. Try this. I ran towards the school bus. ask yourself first. Ask yourself first, what did I do? I ran. Okay. Now ask, where? In which direction did I run? What is a preposition in this sentence? So, what did I do? I just ran. Okay, I ran. So where? In which direction I ran? Towards the school bus. Means towards the school bus. So means toward. It's toward. Because which direction? Towards the school bus. So here the preposition is towards. Now the next part of speech is interjection. So interjection. What's interjection? An interjection is a word that shows strong emotion, like examples: wow, ouch, hooray, and oh no. Interjection can really liven up a sentence. They help to add a voice to your writing, like wow, ouch, superb, hooray, oh no. So interjection examples. Now interjection, as I told you, an interjection is a word that shows a strong emotion, such as the examples are wow, ouch, hooray, oh no. Interjection can be really liven up the sentence. They help to add a voice to your writing. Check this out. Woo, I am so glad to have passed my exam. So the word who shows that I am relieved about passing my exam. Now try this. Wow, you did a fabulous job. So here the emotion is wow. So what is interjection in this sentence? The option C, which is wow, because it is showing the emotion to your writing, like wow, it's an emotion. So now let's check the parts of speech which we have learned. So what am I? I am a person, place, or a thing, or an idea. So what am I? What is a part of speech that is a name of person, place, or a thing? It is a noun, because noun is a name of person, place, or a thing. So the option D is correct. So what am I? Excellent. A noun is a person, place, or a thing. So the right option is noun, as we know. So the next, what am I? I am a word that shows an action. What am I? So what shows an action? A verb shows an action. So excellent, a verb shows an action. Okay. So the next, what am I? I connect words or groups of words to make a complete sentence. As we know that conjunction connects the word or a words to make a complete sentence. So let's see. Yes, awesome. You are really you have really got this. A conjunction connects. Yes, a conjunction connects words and word phrases to make a complete sentence. So the next, what am I? I show emotion in the sentence. What am I? As we have discussed, what shows an emotion? What shows an emotion? Interjection shows an emotion, as I have told you. So let's see. Yes, an interjection shows a strong emotion in this sentence. You are correct. So the next, what am I? I describe a noun. I tell what kind, how many, or which one. What am I? So it describes a noun. I tell what kind, how many, or which one. So the option is adjective, because it describes, like pink jacket, green jacket, like green jacket, big house. It's describing a noun. So adjective, you rock. An adjective describes a noun and tells how many, which one, and what kind. Great work. Okay. What am I? I describe a verb. I tell how something is done. Okay. I describe a verb and I tell how something is done. Adverb. Wonderful. Yeah. Wonderful. An adverb describes a verb. Okay, remember that adverb describes a verb. It tells how action is done. So, what am I? I take place of noun. So, easy. What am I? What I have told you, which part of speech takes the place of noun? Yes, pronoun. Yes, very good job. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. What am I? I show position or direction. What am I? So preposition shows the position. Bravo. A preposition shows position or direction in a sentence. So this is it, the end. So I hope you liked it. See you soon.